Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So we'll discuss the first problem of Leetcode Weekly Contest 349, easy level problem. And yeah, the problem name is neither minimum nor maximum. So it says that you are given an integer array nums containing distinct positive integer, distinct, right? Find and return any number from the array that is neither the minimum nor the maximum value in the array, or return -1 if there is no such number, right? Return the selected integer, right? In this case, you have 3, 2, 1, 4. What is the, you remember, you should not return minimum or maximum. This is minimum, this is maximum. Apart from this, 3 and 2 are there, return anything. Yes, return this. Okay, similarly 1 and 2. So if you have 1 and 2, this is minimum, this is maximum, you do not have any number to return -1. What about this? You have 2, 1, 3, maximum, minimum, return 2. Getting it? So implementation is based problem. All you need to do is look, all the numbers are distinct. If this case was not there, what would have happened? Suppose your numbers were 1, 1, 2, something like this. So in this case, though you have more than two numbers, but this is minimum and this is maximum, so you would have returned -1. But now since the numbers are distinctive, this is 4, this is minimum, this is maximum, you return true. Getting it? So you have n possibilities here. So all we need to do is check that if I have more than two numbers in my array, I can return any one of them except minimum and maximum, right? And now how to find minimum and maximum? Again, you can have multiple options for that. What I have done is I've just sorted the array. Okay, I've just sorted the array. I know the minimum will come at the 0th index, the maximum will go at the n-1th index, and then I have returned first index number. Okay, so just see, if n less than equals to 2, so that means return -1. Else what do you return? You sort it and return nums of 1. That's it. That's the easy solution. So I don't think we need to discuss too much about this. But again, if you have any queries, mention that in the comment section. I'll revert on each one of them. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.